Right, today we're putting in 3,000 in weight bloody oil. That's my front diff. Looking the kitty, man.
Yeah, you butter smooth.
That's what we're doing, look. Service day. Battle ready. Good thing is, he's doing all this to my car. He got to do it to his yet. So if you don't do it, I'm going to kick ass. Remember, 5,000 in your main middle. 3,000 in the rear, 3,000 in the back, in the front. You'll notice a difference. It'd be really good. Koyushu would be getting down as well. It's Koyushu Inferno. Just had his front cups done. Soon to have his oil changed in all his diffs. Let's forget about that one. Let's go back to the werewolf, our GoPro car. Just let everyone know you've got to subscribe to us. So we've got some good videos in the pipeline ready to come on board. And this is our service area. It's Mojave 6S. Banggood ZD. Koyushu Inferno. There's its covered up. Brand new. Got some videos for later. Where's your other cars? Moore's got any around there?
Oh, no, they're all upstairs.
Ah,
More upstairs.
it's crap.
E-Revo.
Got the E-Revo. What else you got? Slash.
4x4.
It's that Traxxas, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got some videos of that coming up one day. If he ever comes out, I think he's too scared to bring that tonight because it's just a ripper. We have got videos somewhere of, is that the Traxxas driving at a tree?
Yeah.
Just rebuilding the front end now. So that's the front and middle done now. And we're going to do the rear in a minute. And then he's battle ready. If anyone got any ideas what we can do on our videos, nothing too extreme, we don't want to smash our cars up, you know how it is. Just a couple of lads from Bristol having a laugh. We're not car killers. But yeah, if you've watched our video, subscribe. There's plenty more videos to come, especially with all the cars that we're bloody playing with. And a couple upstairs.